Hello everyone, welcome back to Under Radar Talks. Shares of SoFi Technologies surged 7.2% on Thursday, and trading volume and turnover were significantly increased. The stock price hit a high of $8.30, but the stock price quickly retreated and stayed at $8 in late trading. Yes, for bottom profit capital, the profit margin at this position is already very large, and there is every reason to sell the chips in hand. Of course, this does not mean that the stock price will fall immediately, but there may not be much room for further rise. The data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock was 13.3% on August 27th, and this ratio dropped to 10% on August 28th, even though the stock price fell 3.6% on that day. This reflects that the bullish sentiment of the stock has not declined, which is in line with the recent stock price performance. The short-selling ratio of the stock on August 29th has not yet been shown, but I think this ratio may rise after the stock price rises sharply, which means that the bearish sentiment of the stock will rise. Through the analysis of the trading volume of the stock, the trading volume of the stock is relatively concentrated in the range of $7.16 to $7.54, because the stock price has been consolidating in this area for several days. For this part of the capital entering the market, the current profit margin is nearly 10%. Therefore, the significant increase in trading volume on August 29th is likely to be the result of the selling of profitable capital in this area and below, because the locked-in capital above $8 has long been exhausted. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price rose strongly in the morning of August 29th with a large trading volume, but when the stock price rose to $8.30, it began to fall back, and then it seemed to be completely dominated by shorts, and the trading volume generated was also large. This may not be a good thing, it may be a signal of capital outflow. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that in the past 5 trading days, the stock has had a net inflow of capital on 4 trading days, which is consistent with the recent stock price performance. But there is one thing worth noting here, that is, on August 29th, its capital net inflow was $3 million, which was even lower than the capital net inflow on August 27th, but the total transaction amount on that day was as high as $684 million, which reflects that the capital inflow into the market on that day was not significantly higher than the capital outflow, and the capital outflow increased significantly compared with the previous trading days. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the current position profit rate of the stock is as high as 95%, which means that the stock price will be under great pressure above $8. However, since the stock price has just stood at $8, there are not many positions above this price, but the stock price may encounter further selling of profitable capital in this area, thereby suppressing the rise of the stock price. As mentioned earlier, it is possible that the bulls will block the bears at the $8 level, because some capital may not have exited the market yet. But there may not be much room for further rise, because I seem to have seen signals of capital cashing out, so I set the highest target price of the stock at $8.45. If the capital that has made profits is ready to continue selling, then the $8 level should be the best place for consolidation, and after the selling is completed, the stock price will fall. So buying stocks above $8 may be dangerous. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for SoFi Technologies stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.